Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to recover deleted bookmarks in Brave browser. So guys, if you accidentally delete your bookmark, in order for you to undo that, just make sure to tap on your keyboard Ctrl plus Z in order for you to return it. And if it doesn't work, sadly, it is permanently deleted and you cannot do anything about it because guys, Brave doesn't have an option of a trash bin when it comes to the bookmarks. And as you can see, if we go to the bookmarks tab, there are no other option unless you have exported your bookmarks earlier and you should be able to import it back in. Now, another option that you could try is you could just simply go back to the settings, and from here you could go ahead and go for the sync and go for the manage your sync devices. So from here guys, if you are lucky and you have other devices that are connected and you have the sync turned on and you have the bookmarks turned on, as you can see over here, what you could try to do is just simply go to your other device. So it could be your phone, and after that you could just simply go ahead and select view sync code over here in order for you to view your code, and you could just simply go to your device and provide the code over there by just simply going to the sync settings. And you could also go for view QR code over here in order for you to scan, and so you can sync the data, and if you're lucky you should be able to retrieve it back. And sadly, these are the only two ways that I could find based on my research. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.